Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add virtual backgrounds on Zoom. Let's get started. First, open your Zoom desktop app and sign in. Click on your profile picture on the top right corner, then select Settings. Next, navigate to Backgrounds and Effects. Then, open the Virtual Backgrounds tab. You have many options to choose from. Clicking on None removes your virtual background, and clicking on Blur blurs your background. Next, you also have the option to choose from available backgrounds that Zoom offers. Or, you may choose to upload your own photo to use as a background by clicking the plus icon right here and click on Add Image. This action will open your File Explorer where you can select the image you want to use. In the File Explorer, select on the image you want to use, then click Open to upload it to Zoom. Then you can start using your uploaded image as a Zoom background. The video that appears right here is how your background will look like during Zoom calls. And that is how you can easily add virtual backgrounds to Zoom. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.